Hello YouTubers, welcome to another Diecast review. Today I'm going to show you pit stop launchers Miguel Camino and Lewis Hamilton. One thing you should know, this is the only pit stop Lewis available. Do not be fooled by websites such as ToyWiz and Toys R Us selling a silver Lewis Hamilton. That's false advertising and does not exist. These are 155 scale die casts original from Mattel. Lewis does not have a gap in his teeth, but Miguel is exactly the same as the ones sold separately. The launcher is made of plastic with stickers. The all-in-all gas pump is the trigger. A good thing about these launchers is that they have these clips that you can connect as many as you want together. Also from this collection you can find Carla Veloso, Rip Kloczkowski, Nigel Gersley, and Lightning McQueen. You can find these launchers at Amazon.com or any toy stores for $10. And also from this collection you can find Shoot to the Rookie, Rose Cerrulle, and Francesco Bernoulli. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.